Hi there, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can create PHP HR management system using Claude Code CLI. So here we are going to use anti-gravity also as an IDE. So let's go. I will show you all the process step by step. At first we'll download anti-gravity. So let's go to the browser. If you have VS Code, you can actually use VS Code also. Let's go to the anti-gravity, antigravity.google.com. If you go there, then you will find this page, and then you can click here download. You will get here all the different operating system. Continue with which one actually you are using. Currently I'm using Mac OS, so I'm going to go with this, and if you're from Windows, go with this one. Okay, and you just have to install it. That's it. After that, we need to actually download gem, because gem will provide us PHP server and database server, MySQL. So we are going to use PHP, so for this we need server, right? So gem will provide us these two servers. So go to the gem Apache Friends.org. Here you can see apachefriends.org, and if you click here download, then you will come to this page, and from here you can actually select the latest version from according to your operating system. If you're from Windows, then select this one, and then if you're from Mac, then select this one. Okay, now I'm assuming that you can install these things. Now we are going to go to the Node.js. So go for the Node.js. We're going to use here Claude Code CLI. To install Claude Code CLI, you have to have a node. You have to have a Node.js in your PC, because we are going to actually install it through a package installer, right? So npm, through npm we are going to install Claude Code CLI. For this we need Node.js. So download this. So we need three things: anti-gravity, gem, Node.js. Now let's go to the terminal, and here in the terminal we have to say sudo super user do, but it's for the Linux and Mac user, not for the Windows user. So if you are from Windows, you just have to you don't have to write down here sudo. Next thing is npm. Okay, then install space -g space at anthropic. Okay, anthropic -ai / Claude -code. Now if you hit enter, then it will start installing, and then you have to log in through your Claude account. I already installed it. Let me show you. If I say here Claude, I can actually open Claude here, but as it is a PHP project, so we are going to actually keep our project inside htdocs. Okay, so if you're from Windows, you have to actually go to the C drive or D drive where you have actually installed it. In Mac OS, you have to actually go for the application, and then you have to go for the gem folder. If you are from Windows, then you have to go for the C drive or D drive. Then there you will find a folder called gem. You have to go inside the folder, then htdocs folder, and here we are going to create the project. So to create a project, we are going to click new folder, and let's give it a name. Let's say HR-Claude. So this is going to be a project. It will work as a project. Go inside the project, and here, if you're from Windows, you have to click here in the address bar. Okay, and then you have to say cmd. Then command prompt will be open here. But in Mac OS, we have to select the folder or directory, then right click on the directory or folder, and then click new terminal, add folder. Then here you can see currently we have open a terminal inside HR Claude. Okay, and here we have to open Claude. Okay, so before that we have to actually go back to the previous folder, and here you will find manager -osx. So this is for the Linux and Mac OS. But if you're from Windows, what you have to do, you have to actually press Windows key from your keyboard. Okay, home button from your keyboard, and then from here you have to type gem control panel. Then you can actually open gem control panel. So I'm going to open from here, give the password, go for the manage service, and here we are going to start MySQL and Apache, because Apache is for the PHP server, MySQL for the database. We need these two servers. Both are running here, you can see. Now we can go back here, Claude. Hit enter, and I will select number one, that is yes, I trust this folder, and here you can see this is the interface. Now here you have to actually make sure you have the pro version at least. Here you can see Claude Pro. I'm using here Claude Pro. Why? Because you can actually use it without a paid version. Okay, so the minimum paid version is Claude Pro, and it will cost from $17 to $20. Yes, you have to actually use any of the Pro version, I mean premium version. Otherwise, you cannot actually use Claude Code CLI. And here you can see this is chat option. So here we are going to give a prompt. So to generate the prompt, we have to go to the browser and go for any chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini. Let's go for the chatgpt.com, and here we are going to ask for a prompt. So I have asked for a prompt. Here you can see with little information, and here you can see these are the features. There will be authentication system, employment management, then department and designation, and all the stuffs. Okay, and for the front end, we are going to use here HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Then for the database MySQL, for the backend, core PHP. Okay, and that will be MVC pattern. So I'm okay with this. I'm going to copy this now, and I'm going to go back to the terminal. At the very beginning, I have mentioned that we are going to use here anti-gravity. Basically, it's a same thing. You just have to actually open this terminal inside anti-gravity. That's it. If you want to open anti-gravity terminal, what you have to do, you have to actually open anti-gravity at first. So let's go to the anti-gravity. This is the project. So just drag and drop the project in the anti-gravity file explorer section. Here you have to install an extension called Claude Code. Here you can see I have already installed it. And next, under this extension section, you will find here Claude Code option. You can see. Now you can actually click a new session. Then you can actually either give here prompt, the whole prompt, okay, paste it. On the other hand, you can actually open terminal here. Just say here terminal/terminal, then you will find open Claude in terminal. Then it will actually act like this one. I mean, outside of what we have actually here, like this. You can see same thing, right? Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Go here in the terminal. Now here we are going to paste what we have actually copied from the browser, I mean prompt. Okay, so this prompt. Now we have opened the server also, right? Apache and MySQL. Now everything is okay. We'll hit enter. Then we don't have to do anything here. Rest of the work will be done by this Claude Code CLI. I mean, we don't have to do anything here. It will give us also a .sql file so that we can actually add that file in the database, and all the tables and dummy value will be added automatically. We don't have to create separate tables and all the stuffs. I'll show you rest of the process, but for now I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I'll back. So guys, here you can see it completed the whole project for us. Now we are going to actually access the project. But before that, here we have some instruction. Before that, here we have some instruction. You can see import the database at first. So we have to actually import the database. So let's go to the browser, and let's go to the localhost /phpMyAdmin/phpMyAdmin. And here you have to click here in this SQL section, standard query language. And from here we are going to go to the XAMPP, then htdocs, then our project. Here we have the database folder, and here we have this SQL, okay, schema.sql. Let's open this in a code editor. In this case, I'm using anti-gravity. So let's copy all the things, copy them, okay? Or maybe you can actually copy like this. After that, you have to paste here, and then click here, go. Here you can see added successfully. Now let's refresh this, and here we go. We have HR management. Here you can see you have all the tables here. Now let's access the project. Now we have to actually access the browser, okay, this URL. So let's go here in this URL. I'm going to copy this, go back to the browser and paste it. Here we go. You have HR management system here, and these are the credentials. You can see admin. So let's just go as an admin at first. So I'm going to say here admin, then password is password. We have a nice dashboard here, you can see. So that's it guys. I hope you understand. If you want to make this kind of site, you can actually make for free also. So we have a series tutorial where we have shown you how you can actually create this kind of professional site for free using free AI, and you don't need any token, credit or anything, and you don't have to pay. This is totally free, and I mean, it's not hacks, okay? This is real. So follow our Open Code CLI tutorial series if you want to make this kind of website completely for free. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.